Defending territory is vital to a big cat's success. Stout and muscular, the pit bulls of the big cat world. This is his turf. Male jaguars regularly scent mark their territory. Unlike most cats, jaguars are strong swimmers. Males don't just guard a territory for themselves. Several females have space within it. This one is in season, and she's picked up his scent. They'll mate repeatedly in the coming days, making it likely he'll father her cubs, because rivals are always looking for a chance to sneak in. A neighbor has crossed the threshold. Jaguars try to avoid fights, but when mating rights are at stake, they're left with little choice. The intruder is seen off. For now.